right there. He has to stay kind of good. Bang it! Rico, you're not that skilled yet.
Okay, the guy in front of you is out. Let him
I thought you were the mad rusher, man.
I am the mad rusher. But I'm the mad rusher when I'm close enough to be a mad rusher. Whoa. Stop. Okay, there's one right over there. Hey, stay there, stay there, stay there! Stay there! There's one to your right. That one right there. Behind the tree. Let him have it. Hold on though. Wait for him. Don't stick your gun out. Wait for him. Watch the back, guys. Okay, hey, the guy to your right is out, the guy to your center is out. There's one guy in front of you. There's one guy straight in front of you. Anybody else? Hi people, Hill. Sucker.